everybody. Today I am going to show you how to move this part. So you just have to click move copy and then select this object, and then you can move it in any direction. So I will demonstrate you how to move this object in that particular location. So just click on some axis. Yeah, so you can drag with the mouse button to any new location. So suppose I have movement, provided this movement in this G direction and then this particular X direction. So this is, and then this again the Y direction. So like this you can move it in your desired, move it at your desired location. So just click OK. So yeah, you have moved. So this is very simple and straightforward position. If you know the exact location, you can input the numbers like delta x, delta y, or delta g. So suppose left hand side you can see delta x, delta y, delta g, or you can drag it, rotate it, whatever you want to do, you can do it with it, and just click OK. So now I will show you, if you have already created movement, how you can edit it and you can place it on some new location or some new place.